ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to my last video, when the price was within this move, I mentioned that we can, if you want to trade, one of the option was to have entry above. This is what we have. The another option I mentioned that the best way is it if the price break this low, then from there I'm going to buy. It was here. Okay, as you can see, the price hit and reverse. Okay, that's why I was mentioning the price come to this low, then from there we will look for buy. Anyway, for we have after the price come and broke this low, we had the opportunity to have a buy from here. If we move to lower time frame based on 15 minutes, we could see we could buy whether from this or this flag. Okay, no, the thing is we should be in the trade, and based on these two options, whether have entry above this or we get the trade from here. Okay, now we are in this trade, and the only question is how high it can go. If we move to daily chart, okay, as we can see based on daily chart, the price broke the highest, broke this correction and kind of move up. And when the price was within this range, okay, within here, I was keep mentioning, and I compare this chart with the ETH. Okay, for more information, traders can refer to my last video what we were discussing. And now the thing is, as we can see, the price continue and break the top, and now the question is how high it can go. Okay, but based on daily chart, we don't have any information. All right, the only thing says, how about the based on forward chart? We don't have anything, and this is where we're looking for buy within this correction. And we don't have, if you wanna go for the trade, new trade, we don't have any trade set up. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar, we don't have any things. And for those, they get the trade whether from here or within this move, at least they should manage the trade, okay, in case the price can drop again. Okay, it's because right now, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the better from here. Of the price move higher, we need to get the correction. That means if you want to look for another trade, we need to get the correction before we take the trade. But right now we don't have anything, and we don't have any information whether the price can reverse or not. But because of that, those traders, they are in the trade, at least move their stop loss in break even, and hopefully this one can continue. And what we are looking for, we want to get the another correction whether here or higher before we take the next move. That's mean we need to get the correction before we look for buy. But right now we don't have any trade set up. In this case, we just follow the chart. Any chart, any correction, a small flag, we can take it as a buy. But in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade set up, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.